IGNOU Project 2023 Proposal or Synopsis Guidelines. What is an APA format? APA American Psychological Association format is a style of writing and citing sources used in academic research papers, articles, and other written works. It provides guidelines for formatting papers, citing sources within the text, and listing references at the end of the paper. The APA format includes specific rules for page layout, font, spacing, and headings, as well as guidelines for citing sources in text using author date citations. The format also requires a reference list at the end of the paper that includes detailed information about each source cited in the paper. The goal of using APA format is to ensure that written works are clear, concise, and well organized, and that sources are properly cited to give credit to the original authors and provide readers with the information they need to locate the sources themselves.